everyone, and welcome to Indiana. We're heading to Indiana Dunes National Park, which is about an hour away from Chicago. This is nice.
Turn left on the West Snyder Road.
Look at the cornfield. There's a lot of corn. There's the sand dunes, but we need to walk on a trail that way. This is the Mount Baldy parking lot. It's nice and paved, and there's some restrooms and a small picnic area. The beach is open daily from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. So there's a trail to the beach. Excuse me. Indiana Dunes National Park. Here, Lake Michigan. Known for its sand dunes. We're going to Mount Baldy Beach access. One of the largest moving dunes along the southern Lake Michigan shoreline. It can move up to 20 feet away from the lake each year. Hike time 1 hour. We're taking about a 15-minute short hike to get to Mount Baldy Beach and Lake Michigan to see the Indiana Dunes. You'll see the sand dunes from there, but it's a little bit of a rough hike. First there's stairs, and then here we're taking like the sand road up to the Baldy Beach. And there are a lot of mosquitoes and bugs, so you might need bug spray. And just follow the signs. It says trail to the beach, and now we're almost there. Once you get to the beach, it's really beautiful. You can see the Lake Michigan, one of the Great Lakes, and a lot of water. The beach is really nice. You can see the sand dunes on the right, and then some industrial buildings over there. There's the dunes. And then it's purely beach, about 20 miles. Sand dunes. It's nice here. That's Lake Michigan. This is another trail going down to the beach. Oh, it's a little bit hard to get up here. There's a little bit of steps. Okay, I'm gonna try this other way down to the beach. To the left. Nice. This is the other way down to the beach. Looking back, it's about 20 minutes to walk back. Mount Baldy Beach, where we came from. Now we're heading back. We've made it back to the beginning of the trail. By Bye for now. Thanks for watching.